If you are new here, my name is Deanna and I am living life. Hey y'all. Y'all already know I need to see. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is round 2 of Pilates outside. I'm in Millennium Park here. And it's supposed to be 80 something degrees today, but it feels spectacular right now. So I'm walking to the lawn. You see downtown, the side. Looks on all the angles. So I went to sleep maybe like 12 last night, but I set 2 alarms because I'm like, I really want to do this. I really enjoyed myself outside doing a workout last week, so I want to come again because it's a summer series and they'll be doing this all summer. So Pilates at 8, yoga at 9, kickboxing at like 11, and then like at 1, Zumba. I'll try the other things out another time. But yeah, we are approaching the Great Lawn where the session is going to be. So I'm going to go find me a dead squirrel. Oh, poor baby. Look at the squirrel. Oh, little squirrely. The opening to the Great Lawn. There's a couple of people out here.
Oh my God, did you see me walk back?
And we're gonna go find us a good spot. And, I want to be in a good spot. So I'm up in this joint. There's a lot of grass here. Relaxing. You won't catch me in the back. I need to heal. I have arrived. I'm chilling right now. I got like 15 more minutes before the class starts, so I'm laying down. I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm so glad that I got up. It's gonna be a great day. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do after this, but I guess I'm just gonna let time move me. I was gonna head back towards home and like walk home, but I actually need to take my car, so I'm going to figure something out. I don't know. I might walk around a little bit down here or just like chill down here, listen to some music or something. I'm not trying to be in a rush to go back home because honestly, when I woke up, I said I'm coming straight home because I want to nap some more. But I know after I'm done with this, I'm not going to be tired for real. So that's great. But yeah. So I'm chilling right now. Got to figure out the angles for today, which I think this will probably be the best angle because the sun is literally like right there. So there's that. Yep. All right, well, don't want to use all of this time. I might take these bobby pins out. I don't know how my hair look, but baby, it's time for this wig to go. Okay, it did what it needs to do for the month of June, and I need another one. Okay.
From your hands, and then hold on to the left leg with your right hand. Guide your left leg into a twist across your body. Unwind through center activity from your core body, as well as stretch through your hamstring. One more time each direction. And then finding center of your straight right leg. Try not to kick on the way down with acceleration so that you have control as you lower, hovering your right leg. Pause. Thinking about your pelvis and your hips getting a stretch one hand at a time. Whatever you're practicing, do one more hip lift or one more head lift, and then stretch your legs long. Take a full body stretch. Arms and legs reach out, ends of your mat, and then exhale. Grab your right knee into your chest. Give yourself a little assist to curl and sit up. Reach your hands out toward your toes. Exhale for 530. Bring your right knee into your chest. Keep pumping. Exhale. Switch legs. That's 50. 60. Both legs in shove. You can choose to finish your last 20 with your legs bent or legs straight, hovering over the end of your mat. And lower your head down, hug your knees into your chest. Take your inhale across, exhale down, around, and up. Imagine you're drawing a big oval or a big shape like the bean. Stretch your shoulder blades together in the back. Squeeze them, open your chest toward the sky. And then release, relax, take a little sip of water, shake your shoulders out. Hands can come behind or beside you. Legs out in front, a shake or a pat, manual or forward, that's up to you. And then from here, stretch your legs out any way that's onto your right wrist or forearm. Stretch away from your right sitting bone. Come through center, grab onto your left wrist or forearm. Stretch away from your left sitting bone. Come up through center, twist toward the bean. Hands go wherever they go. Rock. Really try to bring out your chest and shoulders. And then around toward the leg. Exhale. Bring out your whole spine. Hands again behind you, beside you, squeeze your shoulder blades together, chest open. And then take your legs east sky. Exhale, belly pulls back. The action of your belly pulling back is the thing, not how close you get to the ground. Inhale, and let your spine either arise. Stretch your ankles and calves upside down. Come back to your knees and relax your toes. Curl and draw your tail down toward your hips. Inhale, lift up, tuck your toes, upside down. These are all optional ways to move your spine.
And I mean, it only takes 13 seconds for Chicago downtown to fill up, because now everybody and their mama out here. Great. Look at the bean. Bean. Honestly, I'm finna sit in this shade right here under this nice tree. Hey, tree. This one's sick. Yeah, so I'm gonna take these bobby pins out because baby is actually not doing it. Oh, this breeze feels so good. I'm coming all the way in the back. Those other people, I was just all the way in the front. I'm coming all the way in the back so that I can lay down. And then I'll decide if I actually want to do yoga or not once it starts. But I just want to lay down, listen to music, and do nothing right now. So I'm actually going to do that. So you all can see, this is my Pilates fit. You really can't see the color, but it's a yellow top and like pinkish bottom, so I kind of look like pink lemonade. Yeah. Got my yoga mat person, and this is it. This is it. Pink lemonade for today. Hello, you all. As you can see, I made it to another destination. So I stayed at Millennium Park for like 10 minutes. I did I did yoga. I did this much yoga after Pilates. Then I'm like, I actually don't want to do no activity. I just want to sit and lay down. So got on the bus, and then I went to my neighborhood, and I said, I actually need a book. And so I went to the library because I have a library card. Okay, so I went to the library and I got me 4 books. This is the one that I decided to grab, The Art of Living by, I'm not going to butcher his name because there's a certain way that I say his name, but it's only for me to understand. Okay, I don't want to do it to him. So yeah, and I'm like, let me go to the lakefront. So that's where I am here. I'm laying on a rock, and I'm about to read some of this book, and I'm only going to be out here for a little while, and then I'm going to go head home. Actually, I need to go to Trader Joe's first so I can figure out what I'm going to eat. And I just don't feel like eating no eggs, but I might just get some chicken sausage, some eggs, and some bread so I can just make some toast, put some jelly on it or whatever, and just call it a day, you know. But right now I'm just in a very, very, very relaxing mood, and so I'm just trying to chill. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm laying on a rock, and I got my legs crossed here. When I say chilling, really great to start your day like this is really great. And I don't have my glasses on under this, which means I really can relax because I don't have to focus on seeing anything. So this is great. This is really great. This is actually how I desire to start every day. But actually starting it on this Saturday, because I usually just sleep in until 11, even though I stay up late. I like to stay up late. I like to stay up until like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning because I enjoy the night and the quietness and the crispness of the night. So I try to stay up late. But the class starts at 8 a.m. sharp, which means I have to wake up in the 6 o'clock hour so that I can drive to the bus stop so I can hop on the bus or the train and get there at appropriate time.